Work is done, and it is time for pie, but not just any old pie, but new and improved. Back to our classic recipe, better meat and more of it pie. Let's put that to the test, because last time I looked at one of these classic British pies, it was a bit of a disappointment. They'd kind of cost cut, and it was mainly gravy under the puff pastry. So let me show you what's inside this. I have a tin opener. For those who are unaware of Fray Bender's pies, is this going to work? It is going to work. It's a pie in a tin, and you basically just take the lid off the tin and you stick it in the oven, and it's a meaty pie with puff pastry on top, as you shall see in due course. If you can get it open, this is a side opening tin opener, which will leave a nice sharp edge, but that's okay. I shall treat it with suitable caution. So that's the thing kind of off, I think, roughly. And here is what is basically wet pastry at the moment. So I'm going to stick this in the oven and cook it, and then we can explore what's inside. One moment, please. The pie is ready, so let's explore it. If it looks a bit sort of like ruffled in the top, it's because I peeled layers off so I could get extra golden puff pastry under it. I'm going to have a bit now. Nice. But the bit I'm interested in is to get rid of the pastry off the top at the moment. The pastry will be eaten with a slight feeling of guilt, because I'm the only person here, and this used to feed my whole family. It was a family treat to have a pie. So let's dig the pastry off and see what sort of meaty content it has. It's looking better than the last one. It does look as though it's got bits of meat in it. That's nice. So let's put some meat over there and find more bits. There are more bits of meat in it. That is much better. This is how it was supposed to be. Quite a lot of gravy still, but there always was gravy. The main thing is it's got those little bits of meat. I know that for some other countries you might not like the idea of the kidney. Oh, right, it's all steaming up. That's not really a surprise, is it, when you put this under a... Hold on, I'll just wipe the lens off. Give me a second. That's better. Some people don't seem to like the idea of the kidney, but it's just a standard thing in the UK. So this is much better than it was before. It's not crammed with meat. The picture is still a bit misleading, but it has a lot more than it used to have. It's also red hot. I can eat it. Oh, very hot. Yeah, that's a big improvement. So, in short, they say they've added more meat. And they have, not a mega amount of meat, but still miles better than it was before. And now, I am going to eat most of this pie right now. So, yeah, this is definitely an improvement.